YouTube, what it is, what it do, it's your boy, and we is back with another video. The pollen is crazy. Y'all probably can't see it, but the pollen is crazy. But we is back with another POV. This video should have been out, but you know what I'm saying, things happen. You feel me? A nigga been doing a whole lot of shit, getting a whole lot of stuff done. Mentally, I've been good, but you feel me? Just stuff that I've been having to get straight. You feel me? We've been growing like crazy. We had 715 subs. I'm gonna try to get this video posted the same exact day. So today is Friday. I'm gonna try to get it done Friday, like today. But you feel me? A lot of y'all been asking a whole lot of questions, whole lot of everything. And I'm gonna just, you feel me, trying to kind of get stuff simplified and get it piped down, you feel me, on a light day. But yeah, POV, we finna go crazy. Like I said, we've been growing like crazy, bro. We had 715 subs, bro. The last video we was at about 600, and I wasn't even able to give a proper thank you, I don't think, to everybody that you feel me been showing love and supporting. So this is my thank you. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all been going crazy on the channel. I really don't even know how to really show I love y'all. You feel me? If I just said I love y'all, like, y'all have been making me want to get up and post. Like, even the times, a lot of the time I wasn't posting, bro, I was just fucking itching my neck like a goddamn crackhead because I ain't fucking posting no videos. So, you feel me? I'm glad that we can go ahead and get this shit done. Y'all probably wondering where the fuck I'm at. I don't know. I'm probably in the motherfucking Goo Lagoon and shit like that. But, you feel me? Hondeezy looking nice. So many miles to come, bro. I say that every video, but you feel me? We trying to get it lowered. Like I said, the grill is next. You know what I'm saying? I'm not only a car owner, I'm not only a YouTuber, I do got a brand, so you feel me? I've been working on that, and I've been working on getting this car done. No other mods but the steering wheel. So this is what this video is for. As y'all can see, the steering wheel is 55555. Now, when I crank this motherfucker up, you see that right there. Yeah, that's happening. But you feel me? That it ain't nothing too crazy. I think it's just you feel me? It's a coolant. I gotta get my thermostat changed, so I'm gonna get that done, and I need to do an oil change, so I'm gonna get all that done. And I did order a head cam, so the next POV video guaranteed will be, you feel me, I'm gonna shift gears and do all that. Y'all all been saying, what the hell you ain't been shifting gears? Because I can't do it. Fucking holding the steering wheel and doing that at the same time, I just can't do it, you feel me? But this is probably gonna be the last POV that y'all got to deal with me not shifting gears and shit like that. But got the people watching me on the side, goddamn. But yeah, I can't really shift gears, but I'm a trot you right here. I'm gonna do a pull. And a lot of y'all been asking, damn, I forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Yeah, hopefully y'all day been going good. I miss y'all, you feel me? I miss every single 700 of y'all niggas. Y'all been goddamn showing love to me and shit like that on a motherfucking light day. Yeah, like I said, y'all niggas been making me want to post, bro. Like, y'all just keep fucking showing love, goddamn doing all the crazy shit. Y'all just crazy, bro. Y'all just ridiculous. Oh yeah, that was all right. I remember I was gonna say no. A lot of y'all been thinking that I got some type of crazy exhaust because my car is so damn loud. Bro, everything I've did, y'all would have seen it, bro. If I had a custom exhaust, I would have showed y'all every single thing. Like, I don't have no custom exhaust. Everything is just straight bone stock, bro. All I have is a resonator delete, a muffler delete, and one cat delete. So everything is dag like bare stock, bro. I wanted to get a tune, but you feel me? Man, I gotta roll my window up. This shit too loud. I can't even talk. Yeah, I wanted to get a tune and do all that, but you feel me? I gotta cut all 3 cats to get the tune that I want. That burble tune, the pop pop bang a bang bang, pop pop shaboom boom. Goddamn. But yeah, check engine light is on, but you feel me? I'm still gonna get this video out because you feel me? Y'all my people. PSY Mafia. I love y'all niggas. Y'all are the gang. But yeah, like I said, I've been getting a lot of comments and stuff like that. I hope I'm not getting pulled over. Is that the cops? Is that the cops? I hope that's not the cops. Please don't tell me that's the cops. Will I get pulled over this video? Oh shit. I don't think that was the cops. Never mind, he pulled over. He pulled over. Let's go! Oh shit. Bro, in my next video, y'all probably gonna see that next. I'm not gonna spoil it, but you feel me? It was my birthday and something happened on my birthday, bro. Shit was crazy on my birthday that y'all gonna see in the next video. And I am gonna do 2 videos. I'm gonna drop this one today, and then I'm gonna drop another one Saturday for my absence. Cause you feel me? That's stupid to me. Like, I won't drop it. Like, what the fuck was I doing? Y'all supposed to be on my ass. Like, why the fuck you ain't post, you dumb, black, ugly bitch? Y'all supposed to be on my ass by that shit. But yeah, a lot of y'all niggas, y'all see we did do the car play. We got the car play installed. We got the steering willy, and shit like that. Yeah. Hold on, guys. I don't think the lighting is up to par, so let me try to fix this lighting real quick, and I'm gonna get y'all on the light day. All right, y'all, we is back. It should be a little bit better. I hope it is. But yeah, we're gonna try to upgrade, bro. We did get that head cam, so I'm so happy about that. Head cam is on the way. Head cam POVs and shit like that. And another thing y'all been asking, what is that rattling noise? Like, what the fuck is that? Honestly, bro, I thought it was my head unit. Somebody told me, hey, Josh, it's probably your head unit that's making that noise. But I'm like, bro, I fixed the head unit. I screwed everything in tight and everything, and it's still popping up. And then I started hearing rattling from like that side. So I'm thinking it's something with that airbag over there. But you feel me? I don't know. I don't know what it is. It might be because the goddamn car rattling like a motherfucker. I gotta watch out, bro, because cops be all around this bitch. And I'll be damned to get pulled over. Shit, dummy. Can't do a little pull. Bro, this car is fucking insane, bro. Woo! Let's roll down this window a little bit, you feel me? And I still need to get my steering wheel fixed too. You see, like, it's crooked. Like, it's straight, but my steering wheel not straight. I gotta get that fixed. So we gonna do that and shit like that and shit like that. And everybody wanna know where the fuck I live at. Goddamn, where the hell is this nigga located? Bro, I am in North Carolina, big bro. I am in Greenville, North Carolina, the shitty city of North Carolina, bro. Shit ass. But I mainly be in like Raleigh and shit like that. That's my main like spot that I be at. That's where I take my pictures at. Like, I be in Raleigh. I don't really be in Greenville doing anything, but I just live here, bro. Like, that's literally what I tell niggas. I just rest my head here and having my fun. I goddamn, you feel me, hit the dash and all that. But, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think the fucking police is watching my videos. I'm not even exaggerating, bro, because y'all gonna see it in the next video. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all gonna see it in the next video. But, yeah. Like I said, how y'all niggas' day been going amazing. Hopefully y'all love the steering wheel. Let me know what y'all think of it. Rate it 1 through 10. Y'all fuck with it. Y'all fuck with the color? Like, let me know what y'all think. What y'all think? What y'all think? Is it cool? Is it doo-doo? Is it ass? Is it trash? I want to make this video long, but y'all know my phone has a fucking storage shortage. So I tried to delete a whole bunch of shit just to get enough storage. I might need to just buy a new phone. I told y'all that last time. But yeah, we on a shortage when it comes down to storage, bro. We are on a shortage. So we doing good right now, goddamn, but I don't want this bitch to goddamn run out on us and shit like that. So I am giving y'all 2 videos. So if this video like 15 minutes long, then y'all be happy. But y'all don't like to do a whole lot of talking in the POVs. I just kind of ride out and shit like that. Let y'all enjoy. But yeah, I'm so ready to get that head cam, bro. So ready to get that head cam. And I want to make my pops louder, bro, because I don't think y'all can hear them on the videos. But, you feel me, she does pop. But yeah, just for this video, y'all leave my steering wheel alone. I know she a little cricket. Hey, chill on her. Some of y'all be asking, Josh, why you don't cut up in traffic? Josh, why you don't cut up in traffic? Bitch, because I just got a ticket, bitch. I got a ticket not too long ago. I don't even think I told y'all that. But yeah, I got a fucking ticket going goddamn 69 in the damn, what is it, 50? So ever since then, bro, I've been a little chill. Had to goddamn do the court shit and all that other shit. Hopefully y'all hear these damn pops, bro. If not, then fuck it. Yeah, MTV Cribs. Yeah. Let me know how y'all day going today. Hopefully y'all day going smoothly loose. Niggas starting to call me the yapper. Niggas starting to call me Casper the way I be yapping, bro. But it'd be like, you feel me? I'm really just trying to put y'all along to certain shit. Cause I want to see everybody win, bro. That's my main objective. I want to see everybody win, bro. Especially my close people, bro. I be heavy on, you feel me? Seeing everybody win, bro. I'm heavy on that. Heavy on seeing my people win. Big on that. Yeah, I really just drove in a big ass circle. Boy, I gotta make sure I do not see no fucking police, boy. Shit, boy. Swear to God. Fucking 12 think I drive a motherfucking Hellcat. Like, shit. They see my car and be like, oh, hell nah. Get his ass. Get his ass. Get his black ass. Yeah, bro. Fucking, they think I'm damn driving a motherfucking... Oh, shit. What the fuck are you driving? Motherfucking... that Ram. Bro, let me know. Y'all let me know in the comments. What is one car... Say if your mom gave you a car, right? It's your birthday and she gave you a gift. What is one car that you would not accept? In my opinion, bro, if it's my birthday and my mama get me I come outside and my mama get me a fucking, the Kia Cube shit or any of them fucking small ass QB looking cars, I'm selling that bitch, bro. I'm not driving that shit, bro. That's one car I'm not fucking driving, bro. I'm sorry, bro. You will not catch me in a motherfucking Kia Soul or goddamn none of them shits, bro. Them shits is ugly as fuck, bro. Like, I don't got a problem with no other car, bro. And no disrespect to any nigga that got a motherfucking Kia Soul. But shit, nigga. I'm sorry, bro. I can't drive that car. I can't drive that car, bro. That car is cruised. Like, literally any other car. Get past this nigga. He's going too slow. Yeah, bro. I would drive any other fucking car but that shit, bro. Shit is fucking dumb as hell. Y'all, summertime is coming up. I hope y'all ready. Summertime is coming, bro. Honestly, bro, we gonna hit 1K. I know we gonna hit 1K before the summer. The way y'all been going crazy. Back-to-back, all back-to-back videos about to hit 1K, bro. Like, that shit is fucking amazing, dude. And I'm glad y'all are enjoying this shit. I'm so glad, because I love my car. Hondeezy loves you. We love Hondeezy. I'm going to try to get Hondeezy a brother. We're working on it. Coming soon. Hondeezy. Will Hondeezy get a brother? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Just, you feel me? We'll see how life goes. We'll see how life change on a nigga. But yeah. Bro, my car is so fucking junky too, bro. I do not like junky cars, bro. And I need to get a wash, bro. Like, it's so much stuff to do to this motherfucker, to this little nigger, this little black nigger car, that, you feel me, I could literally make videos for damn centuries on this damn car. That's why I'm not going to sell it or like trade it in, because Hondeezy got to go down in history, bro. Like, Hondeezy has to stay until she's completely done. Hondeezy has to stay. So I will never sell Hondeezy, Midnight, whatever y'all want to call her. I probably will never sell her, bro, because she's top tier, bro. She's goated, bro. The best Honda. We all love Hondeezy. Nigga, don't honk at me. Did I motherfucker just honk at me, bitch? Bitch. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Nigga honked at me in the fucking car going, what the hell? Motherfucking nigger. Alright, let me give y'all some let me try to give y'all some you feel me, first gear pops. You know I gotta do that every video. Y'all. My neighborhood with that video. All right, guys, you know the storage is low, so I am gonna have to end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this little POV video with the steering wheel, let me know what y'all think. Y'all love it, let me know. Yeah, more videos to come. Y'all already know that. With that being said, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I need to say yo goodbye. Catch y'all in the next video. Let go.